Hey everybody, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and today we're reviewing the JOVS Venus Pro. Now, we're going to do a simple unboxing of this product here. A product that can remove hair from your body permanently. Yes, it makes this promise. But I'm going to start by doing an unboxing, and it came with this, and I checked, and it actually does come with this. So this wasn't something that the company just sent with me as a bonus. They got this nice little shaver here. And they also have this set of sunglasses. Yeah, this makes me look pretty hip, doesn't it? Actually, it's kind of interesting. It has this green filter on it, so I kind of feel like I'm in the Emerald City or something like that. It's kind of crazy. So, without further ado, let's get to the product, eh? All right, here it is. It comes in this really nice, fine box that I swear like you get it at like a jewelry store. And this is the product right here. See this little ribbon here? Pull it out. Okay. Now you might be wondering, this works here. I'm told that it takes, let's see, treatments of like 10 minutes, and in about 6 weeks, they say anything that you can point this at for those treatments, that hair will be removed. Now, if you're concerned about safety, trust me, this has been tested. This company has worked with Stanford University, and they've been in compilation with a lot of technologies to get this thing to work. And I just want to show you what it comes with here. First of all, you'll notice this head revolves here at 180 degrees. And it also comes with a set of instructions here. Okay. And it has a power cord. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to plug this thing in the wall just so you can see it working here. And let me tell you something about this guy. It is some of the fanciest technology I've seen in a while. Oh, don't worry, you don't have to follow me with the cord here. Okay, I'm just going to plug this guy in. Okay. This is raw footage right here. Okay. So you can notice like the little lights on top, and we have an energy adjuster here. And note that. Take a look at that. We also have it's switching into, I think it switches, yeah, switches into modes here. You get that on tape? Okay, good. Okay, and from here, you can pull the trigger, and then there you go. Start giving yourself treatments. Now, I'm not going to do this because I want to keep some of this hair here. But, okay, you get how it works. Now, if you see this thing, it actually works with these things right here. And open up this little drawer here. Ooh, hey, check this out. All right, I'm going to swing this towards the camera so you can get a better look at it. Okay, get a little close-up on those labels there. Okay, so we got face, arms, legs, bikini line. What is that? Underarms and SR mode. So what is SR mode? Stands for skin rejuvenation. And this thing with treatments can actually soften your skin. Now these little guys, you'll notice they're all different. Like they all got different colors of visors. This one's really simple. And these things just snap right on. It's a very handy dandy treatment device, and is available on the JOVS site. Let's see, for about a price of $4.39. So if you're interested in something like that, you should head to that site now and purchase it. This has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.